Hare Krishna. This drama is dedicated to the following personalities. His Holiness Gaur Govind Swami Maharaj, a dear disciple of Srila Prabhupada. One episode of drama is based on his teachings. His Grace Trivikram Prabhu, our very loving member of our congregation and an ardent participant in the drama festival. We miss him very much. Mr. Narendra Dalal, father of Dwarkadish Prabhu and Sridhama Prabhu. He was a great lover of drama festival, and this is the first year he is not in our midst. And his logic and prowess broke the atheistic and deviant doctrines and thus flooded the entire Dravida Desh with nectarian ocean of love of God. In this drama, we will capture and share some drops from the vast ocean of past times enacted by Lord Chaitanya in this tour for the pleasure of all the assembled devotees. While traveling through South India, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu traveled through an area where the nomadic tribe called the Bhattaharis were present. The Bhattaharis used to increase their numbers by using women to allure outsiders. Kala Krishna Das, in spite of being the Lord's personal servant, was influenced and allured by these Bhattaharis. Let us now go to the camp of the Bhattaharis.
Om Him Klim Klim Chamundai Viche. Om Him Klim Klim Chamundai Viche. Chamundai Viche. You are blessed. Mother Kali is very happy with you. She has revealed to me that she will fulfill all your desires. Drink this prasad of Mother Kali.
No, this is alcohol. How can I drink? A woman never drinks alcohol.
You cannot refuse prasad. It will be very inauspicious for you.
But I cannot drink this. I'm a Brahman woman, please.
Come on. Drink this now.
Somebody help me. Please open the door. Please, please, somebody help me. Please, can somebody open the door? Please help me. Somebody help me.
You cannot escape. You are caught.
What happened, child?
This man, he's forcing me to drink alcohol.
Why are you forcing her? Do not worry. There is no force. You should drink this prasad willingly. Otherwise, it will not have the effect. Come on, woman. Drink it now.
A woman cannot drink alcohol. Please, please let me go from here.
Once someone enters the Bhattahari camp, they cannot escape. People think that we are the most uncivilized. But we are the most civilized of all human beings. Drink it now. Drink!
Please release me. I want to go back to my family, to my home. Please let me go.
Now, this is your family. The family of Bhattaharis.
Please, please let me go.
Drink this.
Lady, you still want to go to your family?
This is my family now. What can I do for all of you?
Go and enjoy for now. But very soon a sannyasi is going to come. I want you to entice his servant and get him joined the Bhattaharis.
কদাচিৎ কালিন্দীতট বিপিন সঙ্গীত তরল মুদা ভীরি নারী বদন কমলাস্বাদ মধুপহ রমা শম্ভু ব্রহ্মা মরপতি গণেশার্চিত পদ জগন্নাথ স্বামী নয়ন পথগামী भवतु मे जगन्नाथ स्वामी नयन पथगामी भवतु मे भुजे सव्ये वेणु शिरसि शिखिपिच्छं कटितटे दुकूलं नेत्रान्ते
You are all more dear to me than my life. And you have all properly executed the duties of friends by bringing me here to Puri and giving me the chance to see Lord Jagannath. But today, I beg all of you one bit of charity. Please give me permission to leave for a tour of South India.
For what, my lord?
I shall go out to search for Vishwaroop.
Vishwaroop?
Please forgive me. But I want to go alone. I do not wish to take anyone with me. My request is, until I return from Setubandh, all of you dear friends should remain at Puri.
How is it possible for you to go alone? Who can tolerate this, my lord? Let one or two of us go with you. Otherwise, you'll fall in clutches of thieves and rogues along the way. 2 persons should go with you. They may be whomever you like. Indeed, my lord, I know all the paths of the different places of pilgrimage in South India. Just order me, and I shall go with you.
Oh Nityananda, I am simply your puppet. However you pull the strings, I shall dance in that way. But do you remember? After accepting the sannyas order, I decided to go to Vrindavan. But you took me instead to the house of Advaita Prabhu. While on the way to Puri, you broke my sannyas staff. I know that all of you have great affection for me, but such things disturb my activities. Jagadananda wants me to enjoy bodily sense gratification, and out of fear, I do whatever he tells me. If sometimes I do something against his desire, out of anger, he will not talk to me for 3 days. Being a sannyasi, I have a duty to lie down on the ground and to take a bath 3 times a day, even during the winter. But Mukunda becomes very unhappy when he sees my severe austerities. Although I am in the renounced order of life and Damodar is a brahmachari, he still keeps a stick in his hand just to educate me. You should all therefore remain here in Nilachal for some days while I tour the sacred places of pilgrimage alone.
Whatever you order is my duty, regardless of whether it results in happiness or unhappiness. Still, I submit this one petition to you. Please consider it, and if you think it proper, please accept it. Since your 2 hands will be always engaged in chanting and counting the holy names, how you will be able to carry your water pot and external garments? When along the way you will fall unconscious in ecstatic love of Godhead, who will protect your belongings, the water pot, the garments and so forth? Here is a simple Brahmana. His name is Krishna Das. Please accept him and take him with you. This is my request. He will carry your water pot and garments. You may do whatever you like, but he will not say a single word.
My dear Lord, if a thunderbolt falls on my head, or if my son dies, I can tolerate it. But I cannot endure the unhappiness of separation from you, my dear Lord. I cannot endure the unhappiness of separation from you.
Oh Bhattacharya, believe me, I am here in Puri just to meet you.
My Lord, if you have decided to go to south, then I have one final request that I hope you will kindly fulfill. In the town of Vidyanagar, on the banks of the Godavari, there is a very responsible government officer named Ramanand Rai. It is my request that You meet him without fail, my lord. Ramanand Rai is a most learned scholar, as well as an expert in devotional mellows. Actually, he is most exalted, and if you talk with him, you will see how glorious he is. I could not realize when I spoke first with Ramanand Rai that his topics and endeavors were all transcendentally uncommon. I made fun of him simply because he was a Vaishnava. But my lord, by your mercy I can now understand the truth about him. Please, my dear lord, please meet him without fail and give him your mercy.
Yes, I will surely meet Ramananda Rai.
Mahaprabhu!
Oh Gaura! Oh Chaitanya! Gauranga!
Krishna, 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 Hare 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 Krishna Keshava, Krishna Keshava, Krishna Keshava Pahi Ma Krishna Keshava, Krishna Keshava, Krishna Keshava Pahi Ma Krishna Keshava, Krishna Keshava, Krishna Keshava Pahi Ma Krishna, 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 Hare Rama Raghava, Rama Raghava, Rama Raghava, Rakshama 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 Krishna Keshava, Krishna Keshava, Krishna Keshava Pahi Ma Krishna Keshava, Krishna Keshava, Krishna Keshava Pahi Ma Krishna Keshava, Krishna Keshava, Krishna Keshava Pahi Ma Rama Raghava, Rama Raghava, Rama Raghava, Rakshama Rama Raghava, Rama Raghava, Rama Raghava.
Which is this place?
This is Kavur, on the banks of Godavari, the place of Ramanand Rai.
Ramananda Rai, Vishakha, Vrindavan, Vrindavan.
कृष्ण मुरारी, श्री कृष्ण मुरारी। भक्ति प्रीति माला चंदन, भक्ति प्रीति माला चंदन, भक्ति प्रीति माला चंदन। तुमिनियो इनियो चित्तनंदन, जीवन मरण तोर पूजा निवेदन। सुंदर हे मनहारी, सुंदर हे मनहारी। कृष्ण मुरारी, श्री कृष्ण मुरारी। मम मन मंदिरे रहो निषीदे, कृष्ण मुरारी, श्री कृष्ण मुरारी। दिसो नंद कुमार, नंद कुमार, नंद कुमार, नंद कुमार। प्रेम प्रदीपे आरती तोमार, प्रेम प्रदीपे आरती तोमार। नयने जमुना चरिया निवारा, नयने जमुना चरिया निवारा। तोमार विरही गिरिधारी, तोमार विरही गिरिधारी। कृष्ण मुरारी, श्री कृष्ण मुरारी। मम मन मंदिरे रहो निषीदे, कृष्ण मुरारी, श्री कृष्ण मुरारी। कृष्ण मुरारी, श्री कृष्ण मुरारी। कृष्ण मुरारी, श्री कृष्ण मुरारी।
Vishakha, very soon Krishna will come.
Lalita, he is going to be very happy today. We have decorated the kunj so nicely.
Our dear Radharani has made such wonderful sweets today. Oh, Krishna has come. No, Radharani, it is just the wind blowing. Maybe Krishna?
Monkeys are jumping, Radharani.
Radharani, do not worry. I've sent a messenger to find the whereabouts of Krishna.
Oh, Sakhis! I met Shaibya, Chandravali's Sakhi. She informed me that today Krishna is in Chandravali's Kunj. How dare he does that? We have done so much preparation here.
I am never going to see him again. He's a debauchee. Why should Krishna come to me? I am most ill-fated. So many gopis are there. Chandravali and so many others. I don't want Krishna to come. Don't allow him to come to my kunj. Entrance is forbidden.
Not allowed. Get out from here. Unreliable person. Our Prana Sakhi, our dearmost Sakhi, has decorated this kunja so nicely, waiting for you. Where were you? Why are you coming now? Get out from here.
I am a great offender. Please allow me to go and beg excuse at the lotus feet of your Prana Sakhi.
No, no. Get out from here.
Not allowed. Admission forbidden.
such a condition. I know everything. All right, all right. I have made an arrangement. I have already sent Vrinda Devi to make arrangement for your union with Radharani.
I am Vrinda. I have come here under direction of Purnamasi. I understand that there is no means how you will be able to meet Radharani and console her to break her sulkiness. No other means is there. But one thing, if you do what I say, then there is hope. If I can be an instrument in uniting you and Radha, then I think my life will be successful.
All right, all right. I must do whatever you say. I cannot understand what to do. I am bewildered. I can't think of what to do.
Alright, you should give up this Gopavesh. Such nice curling hair on your head. But you have to shave your head, yes. And give up the flute. Give up your pickup feather too. And don't be in these three places bent at all. Three bhanga. And this blackish body? No, no. These are all things you have to give up. You have to shave your head and you have to become a sannyasi and give up all these things. I will teach you one song. You have to sing that song. You have to sing that song in that sannyasi form, and then there is a hope.
Kanu is a beggar today, moving door to door, begging Radha Prem, Radha Prem, Radha Prem.
Oh Sannyasi Thakur, this song you are singing is very nice. Who has taught you this song?
My guru is Gandharvika.
Oh, your guru is Gandharvika.
Oh yes, my guru has taught me this nice song.
Why have you come here? What do you want?
I have nothing. I am a beggar. I have come here to get Radha Prem. I am simply a Prem Bhikhari, a beggar of love.
All right, oh Sannyasi Thakur, my Pran Sakhi is very, very distressed. She is always crying in a dying condition. Her fate is very, very bad, ill-fated. Do you know the calculation of fate, Sannyasi? Can you calculate seeing the lines on the hand of my Sakhi?
Oh yes, I know how to do this very nicely.
You know? Who has taught you?
My guru has taught me all these things. Gandharvika.
Will you come into the Kunja to calculate the fate of our Prana Sakhi? She is very much distressed.
Oh yes, yes, I can come.
Oh Radharani, a Sannyasi Thakur has come. He's singing a very nice song. He knows how to calculate your fate.
Oh Sannyasi Thakur, will you please again sing that nice song we were singing before?
तनु मने करी चुरी अजी राधा प्रेम दृष्ट्वा पादरतापि नष्टुवा अदर्शनार्हता करोतु वा यथा तथा वा विदधातु यं पटो
Please calculate the fortune of our Prana Sakhi.
I am a sannyasi. I cannot touch the hand of your Sakhi.
How can you calculate then?
I can calculate seeing the lines on her forehead. I know how to do this also.
But my Sakhi does not look at any male, only Krishna. No, she is very strict in that matter. She never looks at any male but Krishna.
Arey Baba, I'm a Dandi sannyasi. There is no harm. I have given up everything. I'm only a beggar, a prem bhikhari. If your Sakhi lifts the veil, there is no harm at all. Then only can I calculate. I'm a sannyasi, not an ordinary male.
So amazing! What is this? At first, I saw you appear like a sannyasi, but now I am seeing you as Shyama Sundar, the covered boy. I saw you appearing like a golden doll, and your entire body appeared covered by a golden luster. I now see you holding a flute to your mouth, and your lustrous eyes are moving very restlessly due to various ecstasies.
Arya spoke of your good qualities, and he made a great endeavor to convince me to meet you. Indeed, I have come here just to meet you.
Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya thinks of me as his servant. Even in my absence, he is very careful to do good to me. By his mercy, I have received your interview here.
The Bhattacharya was mentioning, you are expert in relishing devotional mellows. I wish to hear something about Lord Krishna from you.
You all can leave now. I would like to discuss alone.
My mind is extremely eager. Please recite a verse from the revealed scriptures concerning the ultimate goal of life.
As regards the ultimate perfection of life, the scriptures proclaim the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Lord Vishnu, is worshipped by the proper execution of prescribed duties in the system of Varna and Ashram. That is the way to perfection.
This is wonderful. But I feel this is external. You had better tell me of some other means.
Yes. To offer the results of one's activities to Krishna. That is the essence of all perfection. Yat karoshi, yad ashnasi, yad juhoshi dadasi yat tapasyasi kaunteya, tat kurushva madarpanam.
Please proceed and speak further on this matter.
Sarva dharman parityajya, mamekam sharanam vraja. Aham tvam sarva papebhyo moksheshyami ma shucha. Lord Krishna says, to give up one's occupational duties in Varnashram system and surrender to his lotus feet. That is the essence of perfection.
Go ahead. Say something more.
Devotional service, pure devotional service, without any touch of speculative knowledge. That is the essence of perfection.
Yes. But I feel you can speak more on this subject matter.
Actually, the ecstatic love for Supreme Personality of Godhead, that is the essence of all perfection.
This is wonderful. But if you know more, please tell me more.
More? Such spontaneous, ecstatic loving service in servitude as exchanged by master and servant, that is the highest perfection.
Yes. Yes. Go deeper.
Loving service to Krishna in fraternity as a friend, that is even higher.
This statement is very good. But please proceed even further.
Loving service to Lord Krishna in parental relationship, Vatsalya Bhav, is still more higher perfectional stage of life.
Your statements are certainly getting better and better one after the other. But surpassing all of them is another transcendental mellow, and you can speak of that as the most sublime.
That is the conjugal attachment for Krishna, the Madhurya Ras. That is the topmost perfection in the love of Godhead.
This is certainly the limit of perfection. But please be merciful to me and speak more if there is more.
More? Until this day, I did not know anyone within this material world who could inquire beyond this perfectional stage of devotional service. But I will speak. Among the loving affairs of the gopis, Srimati Radharani's love for Krishna is the topmost. Indeed, the glories of Srimati Radharani are highly esteemed in all revealed scriptures. Just as Srimati Radharani is most dear to Sri Krishna, her bathing place Sri Radha Kund is also dear to him. Among all the gopis, Srimati Radharani is the supreme most and very dear to Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Oh Ramananda Rai, I am so happy to hear you, because a river of unprecedented nectar is flowing from your mouth. Rai, please tell me, of all types of education, which is the most important?
No education is important other than the transcendental devotional service to Krishna.
Of all kinds of distress, which is the most painful?
Apart from the separation from the devotees of Krishna, I know of no other unbearable unhappiness.
Oh Rai, out of all auspicious and beneficial activities, which is the best for the living entity?
In fact, the only auspicious activity is the association with the devotee of Krishna.
Out of many types of meditation, which is required for all living entities?
The chief duty of every living entity is to meditate upon the lotus feet of Radha and Krishna.
Oh Ramananda Rai, where should the living entity live, abandoning all other places?
In Vrindavan, he should live in the holy place known as Brajabhumi, where the Lord performed his rasa dance.
Wonderful. Out of all topics people listen to, which is the best for all living entities?
Hearing about the loving affairs between Radha and Krishna is most pleasing to the ear.
And among all worshipable objects, tell me which is the chief?
The chief worshipable object is the holy name of Radha and Krishna. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. But now, may I ask you something? Why do I feel that I have seen you somewhere? Aren't you the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Shyama Sundar? At first, I saw you appear like a sannyasi. And now, I am seeing you as Shyama Sundar, the cowherd boy. And now, you are appearing like a golden doll. Your entire body appears covered by a golden luster. I actually see you in this way, and this is very wonderful. Very wonderful.
Krishna 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 Hare Krishna 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 Hare Krishna Keshava Krishna Keshava Krishna Keshava Mahima Krishna Keshava Krishna Keshava Krishna Keshava Mahima Krishna Keshava Krishna Keshava Krishna Keshava Parima Krishna 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 Hare
कावेरी श्रीरङ्गेश मनोहरी कल्याणकारि कलुषारी नमस्तेस्तु सुधाझरी श्रीरङ्गरङ्गनाथनिन् पादमर्दनं सेय्यडी श्रीदेवी रङ्गनायकी नामं सन्ततं सोल्लडी श्रीरङ्गरङ्गनाथनिन् पादमर्दनं सेय्यडी श्रीदेवी रङ्गनायकी नामं सन्ततं सोल्लडी इन्दं पोङ्गुं तेन्गङ्गै नीराडी मञ्जळ कुङ्कुमं मङ्गै नी चूडी इन्दं पोङ्गुं तेन्गङ्गै नीराडी सेन्जल पोल नी आडडी मञ्जळ कुङ्कुमं मङ्गै नी चूडी देवपातुरं पाडडी श्रीरङ्गरङ्गनाथनिन् पादमञ्जनं सेय्यडी श्रीदेवी रङ्गनायकी नामं सन्ततं सोल्लडी
अनन्यान् चिन्तयन्तो माम् अनन्यान् चिन्तयन्तो माम् ये जनयो परयुपास्यते तेषां नित्यभियुक्तानां योगक्षेमं वहाम्यहम् योगक्षेमं वहाम्यहम् योगक्षेमं वहाम्यहम् योगक्षेमं वहाम्यहम् योगक्षेमं वहाम्यहम्
Just see this illiterate fool. He wears a Brahmana thread, but cannot even recite one shloka of Bhagavad Gita properly.
Still every day, morning and evening, he wants to recite for Lord Ranganath.
And he feels he's a great Pandit.
I have been seeing him doing this for so many years.
Hey, you fool. Don't you feel ashamed that you cannot even recite one shloka properly? Even animals get trained by doing the same thing again and again and again for so many years.
But you are as it is. You do not even know how to hold the Bhagavad Gita properly.
Stop this big show.
Hey, you, what are you doing? Do you not know how to respect a Brahmana? And that too a Brahmana of his caliber? Just see how he is reciting with so much love. There are tears coming from his eyes. And he is trembling. Don't disturb. Lord Ranganath is listening to him with great attention.
Oh yes, Lord Ranganath is listening to him with great attention.
This is all nothing but a false show of devotion. Just stop this.
Ananyans चिन्तयन्तो माम् अनन्यान् चिन्तयन्तो माम्.
My dear Vipra, I have been observing you for many days. Every day you are reciting the shlokas of Bhagavad Gita with great devotion. I can see that you are experiencing ecstatic love. Kindly tell me, which portion of the Gita gives you such transcendental pleasure?
I am illiterate, and therefore I do not know the meaning of these words. Sometimes I read the Gita correctly and sometimes incorrectly. But in any case, I am doing this on the orders of my Gurudev. My Guru Maharaj has instructed me that every day I should recite the Bhagavad Gita for the pleasure of Lord Ranganath. Whatever I am doing is just to please my Gurudev.
Oh, this is wonderful. But what makes you so excited? देवे परा भक्ति यथा देवे तथा गुरु तस्यैते कथितायर्थ प्रकाशन्ते महात्मना.
Upon seeing Krishna 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 He Krishna 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 He Krishna Keshav Krishna Keshav.
Oh,
Krishna
this is the servant of the sannyasi Thakur.
Ram Raghav Ram Raghav Ram Raghav Rakshama.
Save me! Save me! Save me! Please! Please help me! Please help me! Help me!
What happened?
A wild animal is chasing me.
What are you doing alone in the forest so late in the evening?
Actually, I came to collect some firewood in the forest and I lost my way. Our camp is at the outskirts of the forest. My community members must be waiting for me. I'm feeling scared. being alone in this dangerous forest. Can you please accompany me till my camp? Please. Please. I'm being very scared. Please. Please help me. Please.
But how can I? I need to go back to the service of my sannyasi Thakur.
Please. Please help me. Please.
Come, please come to our enchanting abode.
I think I should be going back in the service of my sannyasi Thakur. What kind of place is this? I need to go now. Who are they?
Most people think that we are the most uncivilized. But we are the most civilized of all human beings. You are our most esteemed guest. Allow us to serve you. Here, take some prasad and refresh yourself. You must be tired.
What is this?
This is a divine drink. It will completely refresh you. After all, you must be tired after the long walk. Now, do you want to go back to the service of that sannyasi Thakur?
Sannyasi Thakur? Who Sannyasi Thakur? I want to enjoy.
Make sure he gets his regular doses of prasad. Welcome to the camp of the Bhattaharis. Enjoy! Enjoy! Yes, my dear sir. How can I serve you?
I am looking for my servant. He seems to be lost somewhere. Can you please help me find him?
Oh, your servant is lost. I'm so sad to hear that. How does he look? Do you find him anywhere here?
Yes. I can see him. There he is.
Where is he? I can't see him. Can you see him?
He's right there.
You're talking about him? He's not a servant anymore. Go and ask him if he wants to come to you. Go, please go.
I am not looking for any trouble here. I am a simple sannyasi. All I want is my servant back.
Anyone who comes to the camp of the Bhattaharis cannot go back!
से भक्त धन्य जन छाड़े प्रभु चरण से प्रभु धन्य जन छाड़े निज जन दुर्दैव सेवक जदि जाए अन्य स्थाने से ठाकुर धन्य तारे चूले धरियाने.
Glorious is that devotee who does not give up the shelter of his Lord. And glorious is that Lord who does not abandon his servant. Even if by chance a servant falls down and goes somewhere else, glorious is that Supreme Master who captures him and brings him back by the hair.